Wow, look at the size of this thing.
It's incredible. Look at the tracks.
Look at this structural weakness right here.
Yeah. We can definitely penetrate this section.
This is perfect. Let's report back to the Queen.
Secure the leaf with more sap.
Clear the tracks and push.
All together now. Move out.
Oh, no! Other side! No! Other side!
Go, go, go! Hoorah! We are victorious! Left, left, left! No right! Troops of the Crimson, regroup for the colony! To victory! Give me the wheel, you're going the wrong way! Ah! Let go of that lever, I know what I'm doing!
Retreat! It's coming back! Run! Get out of the way!
Stop! Stop!
We finally reached it!
The flag still stands.
Long live the colony!